Welcome to Gripper, AcroMat's cure for sliding anti-fatigue mats. Gripper is a non-slip coating that works on all kinds of anti-fatigue, ergo, and floor mats. It's quick and easy to use and provides a permanent solution to slide-related slip and fall risks. In this video, we're showing you how Gripper works, from applying it to your anti-fatigue mats to testing the product in action. First, simply paint or roll the non-slip coating onto the bottom of your mat. As the exclusive manufacturer, you can also add Gripper to any order you place with AcroMat, and we can apply in our production facility before shipping your mats. Next, let the coating dry for 2 hours. It will feel tacky to the touch, but no residue should stick to your hands. From here, simply lay the mat where you plan to use it, and say goodbye to any threat of sliding. For this video, we're testing Gripper on an AcroMat 101 series mat, which is made from premium nitrile rubber foam compared to a box store PVC foam mat. Gripper works seamlessly on all types of flooring, including concrete, carpet, ceramic tiles, marble, metal, granite, fiberglass, rubber, vinyl, and hardwood. Gripper is water-based, eco-bio-friendly, biodegradable, non-toxic, and doesn't give off any odors or fumes. With Gripper, AcroMat's exclusive non-slip coating, you can protect the environment and say goodbye to sliding anti-fatigue mats.